Yeah, I'm having the same trouble with my Cherokee still. It's lagging when I hit the accelerator. When I press the accelerator, it stumbles and then accelerates. It doesn't show much on the RPM, but press it and it almost dies. If I press it too hard, it will die. Oh, there it goes. Just like that. Idle fine. When I press it, it bleh, and then goes. If I press it too hard, it makes a loud clunking noise in the engine, like a backfire, I guess, almost, and almost dies out. If I tromp on it to accelerate like a passing gear or whatever, it spits and sputters and then catches and goes. In the morning, or after it's sit for a while, it takes like 3 or 4 tries to start it, sometimes more, and it'll turn over and catch and then die. Turn over, catch, and die. Is this my IAC? I'm thinking maybe. It's got a new distributor. I'm changing the plugs and wires. The plugs are new. Wires. See, if I hold it like this, it's fine. If I let it idle down, it's fine. But if I quickly shoot the gas, it makes a loud clunking noise. Like a backfire, probably. And then stumbles. It's got a new coil. Battery's dying on my phone. And now it won't do it. Oh, there it goes. It stumbles. It's really hard to pull out in traffic. It's very unreliable. If I drive it somewhere where it gets to temperature and then sits, it won't start. If it's sat for like 15-20 minutes and it's heat, it won't start until it cools off. So I'm thinking electrical. Not sure about my oil pressure.